Remember yesterday I told you guys about Boom 1000 that we entered. We are still in good profits on Boom 1000. Right now we are taking Boom 500. So look at that. See spikes upon spikes, bro. Look at that. Since we entered, market has been spiking. Look at this. This TP1 right there and TP2 up there. So that's what we're looking at. Okay, that's what we're looking at on Boom and Crash. I mean on Boom 500. Okay, so we've been killing the markets. Apart from Boom and Crash, we've been taking $100 to $2,000, $3,000. We've been flipping accounts. If we join the VIP, you see how we make money every day. And the academy is open as well. And also, we started giving free signals. So if you want to benefit from our free signals, check the description of this video and join the free Telegram channel. You want to join any of my services, mentorship, signals, check the description to chat me up direct. You see my WhatsApp line and my Telegram link there. Chat me up directly. Let's make money together. I want everybody to know how to trade in 2026. Before the end of 2026, we all should be profitable. Okay, so look at this. Boom 500. Why did I give Boom 500? Boom 500 was a bit scary when I started taking Boom 500. Now take a look at this. Take a look at that. Now, on the weekly time frame, this is the weekly time frame. We cannot really see anything really on the weekly time frame. Then let's take a look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see that market has been going down for a very long time. Here, the market has been going down for a while, and then I think market will be going up now. The market will be going up now. Most spikes are coming. You can see that we just had another spike right there. All right, so on the daily time frame, this is what we have to do. We need to go to the left and see what happened. Why are we going up? Like, why is the market buying now? We need to go back to the left to see why the market is going up, because for it to know what to do, the decision to make, you need to understand where it's coming from, where the market is actually coming from, and where is it going to. So now look to the left. You see markets was selling until this level. We're around this level. Okay, even below this level. I think somewhere here. Let's check. Okay, even below this level. Okay, let's put it here so that we can understand why. So look at that. So I think markets has been selling to get to this around this point, which is a very key level. What am I trying to say? You can see from this place here, from there, from here to here, looks pretty empty. So market has been going down for a while to fill up this gap here, this place here, before the next move. So that's it. Then we look back to the right, okay, and see why the market started buying. All right, from here, this is the key level here, makes the market started buying. All right, then if you go back to the right hand side, you now see why the market is buying. That the market is actually buying probably to go back to this level again that it came back from, to go back to that level again. So now we've gotten the direction of the market and actually figure out where the market is likely going back. Okay, going back to. Now after doing this, what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to check out the candlesticks. You can see we have series of bullish candlesticks. We have 1, 2, 3 strong candlestick. What is it called? Three white soldiers. Yeah, I think for the bullish, I think that is 3 white soldiers. Okay, so that's what we have there on the daily, which shows that we still have strong push upward. And again, the previous day gave us a doji candlestick, and which is the reason I was scared. I told you earlier that I was scared when I took this trade, when I gave this call, the signal to my guys. I thought it might want to keep on dropping because of this very daily candlestick. The previous day candlestick, this is the candlestick I'm talking about. This guy here, I'm talking about this guy here. So we I was a bit afraid that this guy might push the price down, but it did. It did push the price down to a key level here. So now I know that market has gotten to this point. I might want to start pushing. Then I had to go down to lower time frame, 4 hours time frame. Now on the 4 hours time frame, you can see where the market started buying from before. Where this market started buying from before. This is where it started buying from before. And this is a key level here. Market started buying from this level. I can see this level looks like a very strong zone where we have a lot of buyers around this level because of the rejection we've been seeing here. We had this 1, 2, even from this side. So it's a institutional level on this chart, which means that buyers are in. They might want to push price upward again. So when I saw that, I know that markets will be likely going to buy again. And again, if you look closely, you see that this is a bullish movement. This is a bullish movement. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high right there, and a higher low. So what are we expecting again? A higher high. So as it's going up to give us a new high, we need to take money while it's actually rallying up, while it rallies up, right? So that is how you make money in the market. Now, after knowing that this is an uptrend, you see the structure, you see all the signs, what do? You want to make an entry. You want to make an entry. So how do you make an entry? Candlesticks comes in. Candlesticks comes in. You look for those reversal candlesticks you've been looking for, you've been learning. So if you don't know how to read candlestick properly, check the description to chat me up directly. I'll teach you how to read your candlesticks. Their mentorship is going on, and we'll be talking about candlestick pretty soon. Okay, and I have some videos that you can learn from, to know how to read candlestick perfectly well. I'll tell you guys my favorite candlesticks, my ideal candlesticks, and the ones I hardly really trade. Okay, so after that, we go down to 1 hour time frame to see our candlesticks. So look at this on the 1 hour time frame. We had this rejection. There's a massive rejection on the 1 hour time frame. This shows this candlestick, this bearish candlestick is weak. The bearish candlestick is a weak candlestick because of this massive rejection. And the rejection was not just on any in between or at any random price. It started rejecting on a key demand zone, a key level. You can see that. So that shows that this level is strong enough for market to start rejecting. That's a sign that market is strong. This level is strong enough. So after that, we cannot just enter. I had to go down to 30 minutes time frame. Now, this was the confirmation. Then 30 minutes time frame, I saw this rejection. So this massive rejection. So we started buying here when the market gave us a bit of spike. Before I could tell them to buy, it gave us a little spike. Then we entered and the market started coming down before the final move. Then again, look to the left. You look to the left, you see we had this level as our liquidity level. Market just swept this liquidity. Then we jumped in and we make money. It's still spiking. It will keep spiking till we smash our TPs. That's how to make money on boom and crash. You just need to know those key levels where market spikes mostly. If you know those key levels, it's easy. And if you want to learn how to do this stuff, just hit me up. Let's make money together. The message is right here. Thank you.